In this video, we'll learn how to describe our daily routine in Spanish from waking up in the morning to going to sleep at night. Despertarse means to wake up. Despertarse. Me despierto a las 8 de la mañana. I wake up at 8 in the morning. Levantarse means to get up. Levantarse. Cuando me levanto, todavía estoy cansado. When I get up, I am still tired. Ducharse means to take a shower. Ducharse. Me ducho means I take a shower. Vestirse means to get dressed. Vestirse. Me visto, I get dressed. Desayunar means to eat breakfast. Desayunar. Desayuno con mi gato. I eat breakfast with my cat. Cepillarse los dientes means to brush one's teeth. Cepillarse los dientes. Me cepillo los dientes antes de ir al trabajo. I brush my teeth before going to work. Trabajar means to work. Trabajar. Trabajo en una escuela. I work in a school. Almorzar means to have lunch. Almorzar. Almuerzo con los otros profesores. I have lunch with other teachers. Volver a casa means to come home. Volver a casa. Vuelvo a casa después del trabajo. I come home after work. Cenar means to have dinner. Cenar. Ceno con mi papá una vez a la semana. I have dinner with my dad once a week. Ir al gimnasio means to go to the gym. Ir al gimnasio. Voy al gimnasio 3 veces por semana. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Ver una película means to watch a movie. Ver una película. Veo una película con mi esposa. I watch a movie with my wife. Acostarse means to go to bed or to lie down. Acostarse. Me acuesto a las 11. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Dormirse means to fall asleep. Dormirse. Me duermo 15 minutos después de acostarme. I fall asleep 15 minutes after going to bed.